Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share the latest recruitment information from 8 different companies. There are more than 12 different opportunities to be presented in this video. Now, these are good companies and good offers, but these are like limited location based hiring. Okay, now if you are looking for like massive pan India scale hiring, then there is a TCS BPS hiring. There is specialist programmer hiring by Infosys. Then there is so Wipro, they're hiring for their Wipro Will program and Wipro Sim program, and then there is a network engineer hiring by Capgemini and so on. Okay, so all these information, and you also have Hexaware, they're hiring premier graduate engineer trainee. Okay, so all the massive hiring. There are videos I have already uploaded related to that. Those videos are also provided in the description below. You can make use of it. Okay, now but you can also look at this particular video because, as I said, these are like good companies and good roles. First one, I'll start with Amazon. So Amazon, I have like 3 different opportunities. First one, like quality service associate. Now this is Amazon hiring for their Chennai location. Now this is a testing related role. Now basically, if you see, like any graduate can apply. Okay, so though like quantitative fields such as science and engineering are preferred, okay, but it is not mandatory, so any graduate can apply for this. Though they have mentioned like BE, BSc, BTech, MCA, MSc, and like some relevant disciplines and all they have given, but actually basically like any graduate can apply for this. Okay, so the role, as I said, it will be related to testing, and the salary, if you see, it can be anywhere between like 2.5 to 3.25 lakhs. Okay, so it can be in this range depending upon your performance, your graduation degree and all that. The salary will be fixed. Okay, so your key responsibilities will be execute test cases prepared for testing software builds, perform test case execution and report bugs accurately, understanding testing procedures and guidelines for new builds and releases and so on. Okay, is what they have given. So basically, as I said, it's a testing related role, right? So quality service associate, Amazon hiring for their Chennai location. Any graduate can apply. Now there are 2 apply links, okay, with 2 different job IDs. Okay, so you can go through this. I have provided both in the description below. You can go through that and then decide. Okay, now the second role I want to share is seller support associate. Okay, now for this also, like any graduate can apply, but like they are expecting like Tamil and English proficiency. Okay, so they require Tamil and English proficiency, and from what is given, it also looks like a work from home job. When work from home is also involved. Okay, so maybe it may involve like a partial work from home. Okay, right. So technical, computers and internet savvy is required, is what they have mentioned, and desired skill sets include MS Office application, Excel, and Internet Explorer and Mozilla is expected. Okay, but Tamil and English proficiency, that's mandatory, right? So for this, again, you can expect somewhere around 2.5 lakhs per annum, as a salary, right? Now this is seller support associate. Now then there is a digital content associate. Now this is also like Chennai location based hiring, but here like they have mentioned, candidate should read and write Hindi is what they have mentioned. So working knowledge of InDesign, HTML, EPUB, XML standards would be an added advantage, right? And must possess knowledge in ebook print book conversion is what they have mentioned. Okay, ability to mention deadlines and all that. Okay, so like that's a regular stuff given. So importantly, 2 things. Okay, working knowledge of InDesign, HTML, EPUB, XML standards would be an added advantage they have given, and candidate should read and write Hindi. So these are like mandatory thing that is given here. Okay, right? So digital content associate. Okay, for the Amazon hiring for the Chennai location. Now next, if Infosys for their Mohali Punjab location, they're hiring system engineer related to .NET. Okay, so as well as the requirement is concerned, they have just mentioned Bachelor of Engineering, but primary skills like .NET they have given, and desirable ASP .NET ASP.NET they have given, right? Otherwise, if you see, should be a part of Infosys project management team and manage end-to-end bottom line activities of a project, lead the proposal preparation, review project estimation, capture inputs from key stakeholders on all that, okay, all the regular, like stuff they have given. So if you have the .NET, ASP.NET skills, okay, then you can apply for this. So as you know, for system engineer, the starting salary would be 3.5 lakhs per annum, 3.5, 3.6. For this particular, maybe you can expect a little more, around 4 lakhs per annum you can expect. Now this is for their Mohali, Punjab location, Infosys hiring system engineer, okay. And the last date to apply is 14th of January 2023. Now this hiring is happening through the Unstop portal, okay. Now this is again another hiring through Unstop portal. Infosys for their Hyderabad location, they are hiring Sterling OMS consultant. The last date to apply is 25th of Jan, okay. So Bachelor of Engineering, Master of Engineering, MSc, MCA can apply. Ability to work with clients to identify business challenges and contribute to client deliverables by refining, analyzing and structuring relevant data, awareness of the latest technologies and trends, logical thinking and problem solving, and all the regular stuff is given, okay, right. So Sterling OMS consultant hiring by Infosys for their Hyderabad location. So last date to apply 25th of Jan, okay, right. The next information is from HCL. So HCL, a couple of months back, they had hired a postgraduate engineer trainee. Now once again they have notified that postgraduate engineer trainee, but you have to have like 65% like throughout in 10th, 12th, UG and PG, and this is for the 2023 batch. And so PG, like that is ME Tech from computer science, IT and related background can apply for this, okay. There are 3 different tracks. One is the software development track, where you may need like .NET, React, JS, jQuery, HTML, JavaScript, etc. Or you may have the automation track. You may come from the automation track, okay. So where you may need Shell, PowerShell, Python, DevOps, like etc. Or like the AML track, okay. So where you need to work on data science, okay. So hands-on development on Python, Spark, database, etc. So basically, like, so HCL postgraduate engineer trainee, you should be from CSE, IT and related background, and you have like 3 tracks: AML, automation, and then software development. Now for this role you can expect like salary from like more than 5 lakhs you can expect. For 5 lakhs per annum you can expect for this particular hiring, okay. And the location is like Noida, right. So this is regarding HCL. Now then you have a very important hiring, ZS Associates, like they're hiring system analyst SAP for their Pune location. Now ZS is one of the big companies, and they pay also like very good, okay. You can expect like more than 6 lakhs per annum for this particular role, but you can even expect much more, okay. So as far as the qualification is concerned, they are expecting engineering graduates with 0 to 3 years of experience. So freshers can also very well apply, okay. And ability to work in multicultural and all that, the regular stuff, okay. So as far as the responsibility is concerned, the good knowledge of computer, Excel and Office is required. Any training or workshop experience of SAP, ECC or other financial tools will be a plus, okay. So again, if you have anything, any hands-on related to master data experience, also data management would be good, okay. So you'll be doing error monitoring and resolution, coordinating between different systems to ensure data sync and assure accuracy, okay. That will be the role, okay. But as you know, ZS, the selection process will be a little tough, okay. They have multiple rounds and all that, okay. But they offer good pay. So if you're interested, if you're an engineer and if you're interested in stuff related to like SAP, ECC, data, etc., right, you can give it a try, okay. So good company and a very good like a huge offer. SAP hiring systems analyst for their Pune location. The next one, Cognizant hiring programmer analyst for their Pune location. The last date to apply is 25th of Jan 2023, right. So for this, like usually if you see any graduate can apply with the relevant, like so whatever requirements they have given is like understanding details of quality process and practices followed in the project from different sources, attend any knowledge transition sessions conducted within the project to gain proficiency in project level knowledge, visual design elements and funda is what they have given. Okay, so you can just go through this, and then if you're interested you can apply for this programmer analyst role, okay, from Cognizant. Now next one, Wipro, they're hiring associate maps 8, okay, for their Bangalore location. The last day to apply is 14th of Jan. Now for this, this requires specific requirement, that is any graduate, non-engineering graduate related to GIS, geography, right, with basic GIS topography knowledge can apply for this. Prior experience of using maps for navigation using handheld services, exposure to maps editing using online tools is an advantage. Okay, so if you come from a geography, GIS, a maps background, right, now this is a right role for you, and it's not very easy to get such roles. I mean, if you are from a specific background, okay, it's a great role to take. Okay, so Wipro hiring for their Bangalore location, associate maps 8, right, so that's a good one. Then you have Wipro hiring management trainee. Now this is especially for the management, graduates, postgraduates. Okay, now requirements: knowledgeable about knowledgeable about the competency requirements, demonstrates frequent with minimal support and guidance, and all that is given. Okay, so nothing specific. Okay, all like very generic, given support process by managing transactions as per required quality standards, deliver excellent customer service and all that. Okay, so if you are from the management background, you can try applying for this particular role. So Wipro, for their Gurgaon location, they are hiring for the role of management trainee. The last day to apply is 24th of Jan. Okay, then you have AstraZeneca for their Chennai location. They are hiring associate engineer. So this is an entry level role. If you have like a hands-on experience, right, you can go for this. Basic understanding of coding and cloud, basic knowledge of SQL operations, good understanding of web services like API, SOAP, REST services, XML and JSON. You can give it a try. So basically engineers who have some exposure towards web services or SQL operations or Python, PySpark, etc., you can give it a try. If you see salary, they offer like very good salary, somewhere from 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum we can expect. Okay, this is a recently posted one, but this may close like anytime soon. Okay, so associate engineer hiring from AstraZeneca for their Chennai location. So those who are interested can go for this. Then you also have AstraZeneca hiring junior associate social listening, right. Now this is like bachelor's of degree in any discipline, but preferably pharma or M.Pharm or MBA. Okay, so if you are from pharma, M.Pharm or MBA, you are given preference, but they're just giving like any discipline also they have mentioned. So desirable, they have mentioned pharmaceutical and social listening experience, right. So all the regular stuff, right, excellent written and verbal communication. Okay, ability to synthesize information and produce insightful and accurate analysis and recommendations, highly organized and impeccable attention to detail is expected here, able to handle multiple projects simultaneously and deliver accurate reports. Okay, so basically if you have good listening skills, and then attention to detail, and if you're able to deliver accurate reports, you can go for this, and you should be comfortable with the MS Office suite including Excel and PowerPoint, etc., right. And you should also have familiarity and understanding of social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, blogs, forums, like Instagram and Tumblr, etc., right. So basically, like if you have a lot of exposure, if you are any graduate and you have a lot of exposure towards a social media platform, MS Office, and like if you have impeccable attention to detail, you can go for this. Now for this role also they pay very well. Okay, so AstraZeneca for their Chennai location, they are hiring junior associate social listening. Now this is again another great opportunity. right? Apart from this, I have also provided, like Capgemini hiring from the Kolkata location. One is learn to perform. You can just go through the, like job description and roles, okay, see if it is suitable for you, like you can go ahead and apply. Then you also have the talent acquisition, like HR related role for the Kolkata location, okay. So again, any graduate, okay, so if you have, like the, like relevant, like interest and all that, okay, you can check and apply. Then you also have, like Siemens hiring software developer, okay, so engineers with a specific, like background, okay, so with basic programming skills, okay, can go ahead and try this, okay. So again, Siemens, if you see, they probably offer from 5 to 7 lakhs per annum for this particular role. For this is the hiring for their Bangalore location, right? Now with this, I come to the end of this video. I hope the information that I have provided here was useful to you. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. And if you are not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. And if you have any queries, you can post your questions in the comment section here, or you can contact me through my Insta handle. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.